Everyone wants the best greens, whether you're hosting a tour event or just a full Saturday tee sheet. Why not give yourself the same tools used by the top superintendents around the world and utilize Underhill's line of tournament-ready products, the Featherweight hose and Ultramax nozzles? Share those pictures with us on social media for an extra special bonus coming in 2025.
The club had invested $7.4 million into a restoration last year, which included a new irrigation system. And so our main intention was to, do a true restoration, basically restore the place as it was when it was originally built in 1922. So just throughout the years, they had, these bunker features that we've got, they're really steep faces, flat bottom bunkers. Throughout the years, they had tweaked a lot of them, and they came out more of a flashed look to them. But then you still had, some that they just filled in that were still existing inside of the trees. So we had a good template there. Then we also rebuilt 5 greens, which had been redone over the years, and installed turf slit drainage into the remaining greens. And then increased our fairway acreage from 24 acres to 34. So to some degree, starting June 21st last year, we kind of flipped this place upside down, and we're able to do all that work in 4 months, and now I'm just trying to put the finishing touches on it.